morning guys, welcome back to my vlog. And today is a special day because today we are going to
Annapurna Circuit Trek.
That's right, me and Jeff. And we are going on an epic adventure to the Thorongla Pass, Tilicho Lake. So you don't want to miss this guys, it's a very exciting adventure, hey. So आज चाहिँ म यता थमेलबाट गाडीमा ब्याकप्याकहरु राखेर बालाजुतिर गइरहेको छु अनि हाम्रो गाडी त्यहाँ आउँछ. So I'll keep you all updated for this excited adventure, hey. So see you guys. So okay guys, journey has just begun. Kathmandu to Besi Sherd, and I am Besi Sherd right now. So we have already booked in Jagat, and we have ordered some food. So yeah, we'll go to Jagat. Aba 2 घण्टा लाग्छ यहाँबाट चाहिँ Jagat है, local गाडीमा. So yeah, so keep watching guys. Good morning guys. Today as a Jagatma छौं हामी. So officially second day of Annapurna Circuit Trek. Jagatma राम्रै स्थितिमा हामी. You can see as एकदमै राम्रो छ weather मेरो पछाडी. Yeah. So yeah, this is the view Jagatma. To Chame. So we are about to reach Timang village. I will have probably a stop there. And yeah, how's your journey going, man?
Really fine.
Really?
We're walking in a very nice forest, waterfalls, snowy mountains. I mean, it's hard, but it's worth. So see you guys later on.
Yeah, keep on watching.
Chame, here we come.
Namaste. Namaste.
Hello, Didi.
is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. With you right by my side, it's such a sweet life. Escape this time